So today we are doing a short video where I got the battery charger from Amazon. So it costed me around 1570 bucks. This is not the GoPro branded one. The branded one costs around 6000, I guess. So I thought rather than spending so much on that, let's go ahead with this brand. I felt reviews are also good, and I felt it's worth for the money. So let's open it up and see. Or you can go with the charger plus batteries. And batteries I didn't feel like having, because I had got the bundle version of GoPro, so I already have two batteries, so it should be sufficient. So this is the charger, and it comes with the USB Type-C cable. So this is the charging box. This is how it looks. So it says USB Type-C, and it comes, it's called as Telesen, and just it opens up like this. There's 3 battery pack compartments, and it has lights which will glow up when you plug in, and there are some instructions. I have the original batteries, so let's put them up and get them charged. So this is how they fit in. Close the lid. So I connected it to the charger. So the lights glow up like this. So once it's fully charged, I guess it will turn green. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.